Hello and welcome in the class 3 mathematics. Let's start the new exercise. Exercise 6e. A fraction whose value is less than 1 whole. A fraction whose value is less than to 1 whole. Means 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Means numerator is less than to the denominator. So this is proper fraction. Okay, fractions whose value is greater than 1 whole are called improper fraction. And fraction whose denominators are same are called like fractions. A numeral which is a combination of a whole number and a fractional number is called a numeral which is a combination of a whole number. Combination of a whole number, any numeral, and a fractional number. Whole number and a fractional number combination such as 3 is whole number and fractional number combination 1 by 5. This is mixed fraction. Na? 3 is whole number, 1 by 5 is a fraction. This is a combination of whole number and a fraction. So this is numeral called as mixed number. Numeral as mixed number. Okay. Circle the proper fraction. What are proper fraction? How can we identify that? Circle the proper fraction. Proper fractions has less numerator than denominator. So 1 is less than to 6, that is numerator. So this is the proper fraction. Circle it. Then 12 is greater than to 5. 12 is numerator. So do not circle. This is improper fraction. 3 by 6, or if you convert in least term, it is 1 by 2. That is also proper fraction because numerator is less than to denominator. 4 by 6, 4 is also less than to denominator. So circle it. This is proper fraction. 7 by 6, 7 is greater than to 6. This is improper fraction. Do not circle. 16 by 18, 16 is less than to 18. This is improper this is proper fraction. Circle it. Circle the improper fraction. Opposite to the proper, numerator is greater than to denominator, which is always convert in the mixed fraction. So here 3 by 5 is the proper fraction. 5 by 3 improper fraction because 5 is greater than to 3. 12 by 17, 12 is less than to 17. This is proper fraction. Here 12 by 3, it's improper fraction because 12 is greater than to 3. 9 is less than to 10. So this is proper fraction also. 11 by 9 is improper fraction because 11 is greater than to 9 and 11 is numerator. Here circle the unit fraction. In unit fraction, that's the definition, is the numerator always carry as number 1. So whichever fraction carry as numerator as a 1, so this is unit fraction. First 1 by 10 numerator 1, 1 by 8 numerator 1, 2 by 8 do not circle it because this is not a unit fraction. Here also this is not unit fraction. 1 by 100 is unit fraction because numerator 1, and 1 by 7 is also unit fraction because numerator is 1. Circle the mixed number. Mixed number, a numeral which is a combination of a whole number and a fractional number called mixed number. So 15 by 17, mixed number. 15 by 17 is improper number, improper fraction. If it convert in mixed fraction, that this is mixed fraction, mixed number. Okay, here it's already converted in mixed fraction, mixed number. So it's identified because as 1 is whole number and 3 by 5 is fraction, is a combination of whole number and fractional number. 4 is to 7 by 8 is also mixed number. 1 is to 7 by 8 is also mixed number. Change the improper fraction into mixed number. Now change the improper fraction into mixed number, whichever is improper. 18 by 17, improper fraction, convert in mixed number. 7 2 14, remaining 4 in numerator by 7. 5 5 is 25, 1 remainder in numerator and 5 is denominator, that is divisor. Okay, after dividing 14 by 3, you get quotient as 4, 3 4s are 12 and 2 is remainder after dividing 14 by 3 and divisor is 3. And if you multiply 4 into 3 and add 2, that is 14 by 3 improper fraction. 35 by 6, after dividing 35 by 6, 7, 6 7 ja 42, 6 5 ja 30, 6 5 ja 30 and 6 6 ja 36, that is greater than to 35. So write 6 5 ja 30 and 5 is remainder. After subtracting 30 from 35, you have 5 as remainder, that is numerator. Now 6 is denominator, that is divisor. 56 by 9, 56 divided by 9, 9 6 ja 54, 2 is remainder, that is numerator, and 9 divisor, that is denominator. Now 42, so here the whole number is 10 4 ja 40 na, so 10 is whole number and here 2 is remainder, that is as numerator, and 4 denominator, that is divisor. Okay, now change the mixed number into improper fraction. Multiply 8 into 3, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 6 30, 30 by 8. 10 6 ja 60, 60 plus 3 63 by 8. 12 8 ja 96, 1 plus 1 97 by 8. 10 1 ja 10 plus 1 17, 17 by 10. 12 7 ja 84, 84 plus 5 89 by 12. 12 9 ja 108 plus 1 109, 109 by 9. Okay, this exercise. On the next page, comparing like fraction, look at each group having 3 cakes. For each group, decide which shaded piece is the smallest, which is the largest, and which comes in between. Write your answer next to the fraction. One has been done for you here. 2 by 8 in between. Why it's between? And 1 by 8 is smallest, because here among them in 8 parts only one portion is shaded, and here 2 portions shaded, and here more than 2 is shaded, so this is the largest, and it's in between because here 2 which is greater than to 1, so 1 is the smallest, that is 1 by 8. Here 11 by 16, here 2 by 16, here 8 by 16, all is the like fraction, so just comparing with the numerator number, which is the smallest numerator. Here is 2, so 2 by 16 is the smallest, 8 by 16 in between, and 11 by 16 is largest. As we do this also, group C, 5 by 10, 8 by 10, 2 by 10. These all are like fraction because denominator same in same family. So 2 is smallest here. 5 in between. 8 largest among them 3. Here group D, 1 by 6, this is smallest. 3 by 6 in between. 5 by 6 largest. Ordering of fraction numbers. when the numerator is same, then the fractional number that has a smaller denominator is greater. When the numerator is same, here if denominator is same, then which numerator is lesser among them all? Fraction. So this is the smallest fraction. But if the numerator is same, then the fractional number that has a smaller denominator is greater. तो यहाँ पे जब न्यूमरेटर अपोजिटली सेम हो जाता है अदर देन टू डिनोमिनेटर, तो यहाँ पे कौन स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन के लिए हम क्या देखेंगे? विच एवर फ्रैक्शन हैज़ स्मॉलर नंबर डिनोमिनेटर अमॉन्ग दैम अदर फ्रैक्शन. सो 1/2, here 1/3, 1/4, here all have the numerator as 1, which is similar in all three. And just see the denominator, here 2, here 3 and 4, and 2 is smallest, so 1/2 is greater than. Okay, so 1/2 is greater among them 3. यहाँ अपोजिट हो जाता है, यहाँ पे जो स्मॉलर डिनोमिनेटर होता है वो हमारा पूरा फ्रैक्शन क्या कर देगा? वो ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अदर बट अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो जो स्मॉलर न्यूमरेटर होगा वो हमारा स्मॉलेस्ट फ्रैक्शन होगा. बट अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम है तो जो हमारा स्मॉलेस्ट डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो ग्रेटेस्ट होगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर के, अगर इसे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना होता सो 1/4 देन 1/, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 1/4 इज स्मॉलेस्ट, देन 1/3, देन 1/2. ओके, व्हेन द डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम देन द फ्रैक्शनल नंबर दैट हैज़ ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर. वही अपोजिटली जो मैंने अभी बताया in comparing fraction. Here if denominator is same, this is like fraction na, and 3, 2, 1, 3 is greatest number, so 3/4 is also the greatest fraction. Okay, but if the numerator is same, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 here given, 1 is similar in all as a numerator, 2 is less than to 3/4, but it is greatest because numerator is same in this fraction. Okay, exercise 6F, write greater, less than or equal to symbol in the boxes. One has been done for you. Just consider the rules which we understand later. Okay, 1/5, 1/8, which is greater? 1/5, because 1 which is numerator that is same in this both fraction. So if both fractions has the same numerator, then whichever numerator is smallest that is greatest fraction. अपोजिट हो जाता है, जब न्यूमरेटर सेम होता है तो अपोजिट हो जाता है कि जो भी स्मॉलेस्ट डिनोमिनेटर होगा वही हमारा ग्रेटेस्ट फ्रैक्शन देगा. बट अगर वही डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाता है तो जैसे हम एज वेल करते हैं सभी नंबर्स के लिए कि जो न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर होगा वही फ्रैक्शन भी ग्रेटेस्ट होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 1/5, 5 क्या है? 5 इज लेस देन टू 8, बट न्यूमरेटर इज सेम, सो 1/5 इज ग्रेटर देन 1/8. 4/10, 4/5, सेम न्यूमरेटर, सो विच इज लेस देन एज अ डिनोमिनेटर? हियर 5 is less than to 10, so 4/5 is greatest fraction. अपोजिट हो गया ना, ये छोटा है बट that is greatest fraction. 2/5, 2/8, same numerator but 5 is less than to 8, so 2/5 is greater than to 2/8. 3/4, 3/4, both is equal. 5/10, 4/10, here same denominator, not a numerator, same denominator. Just check the whichever numerator is greater. 5 is greater than to 4, so here is the similar as the rule. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपका greatest 5 है then 4, so 5/10 ही greatest fraction भी होगा. But 3/8, 6/8, here given denominator same, so 3 is less than to 6, so 3/8 is also less than to 6/8. Arrange the following in ascending order: 2/5, 2/8, 2/7, 2/10, 2/3. This is all have the same numerator. So just check for the ascending order whichever fraction is smallest. So whichever fraction is smallest, just check the whichever denominator is greater. Whichever denominator is greater number, so that is the smallest fraction. So 2 by 10, 10 is greater than to all in this denominator. So 2 by 10 is smallest fraction. Okay. Then after 2 by 8. Then after 2 by 7. Then after 2 by 5. And at last greatest fraction is 2 by 3. Okay. Now here 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 5, 3 by 6. Okay. Here same denominator, so just check the whichever number is smallest in the numerator, that is 1 by 6. So just write 1 by 6, then 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, and at last 5 by 6 is greatest number, because here this is here 4 by 6 and here 3 by 6, all have the denominator same. Okay. Okay. Now next, here all denominators same, so write as it is we done second question. 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, and at last 7 by 10 is the greatest fraction. Now in descending order, write first whichever number is greatest. For the whichever number is greatest, just check if the denominator same. 5 by 5, that is 1. 1 is whole, that is greater number. Then after 4 by 5, then 3 by 5, then 2 by 5, and at last 1 by 5 is smallest fraction in this all. Now denominators also same, so here first 7 by 10, 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, at last 1 by 10. Here also the denominators are same, so write here 5 by 7, 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, and at last smallest fraction 1 by 7. Okay.